Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Chevy Traverse and I will show you the location of the spare tire and spare tire tools. This video should apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017, so the first generation. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to start you want to open the lift gate, and then the spare tire tools will be just here behind this plastic cover in the left quarter panel. So you just want to remove this, and here you will have jack and all of the tools. And this is everything you will need to leave the vehicle, remove the wheel, and also to lower the spare tire as well, which I will show you where it is right now. Okay, so I'll put this back in place. I will not be removing everything. Okay, and now the spare tire on these vehicles is located under the vehicle actually, so it's gonna be right here. And for you to use it, first you will have to lower it down, and to do that again you'll be using the same tools you would use to remove wheel from the vehicle. And if you leave this trunk cover all the way up, right here you will see there's like a small picture, and this opening, just want to leave this opening up, and here is the nut you have to turn to lower down the spare tire. And like I said, you will be using all the same tools. This nut will actually be the same size as lug nuts on your vehicle. Okay, so you'll be using the tire removal tools to do it. Now in this video I will not be showing you how to lower down the tire, just the location. Why? Just because from my experience, if spare tire wasn't lowered for a long time, and if I lower it down and put it back up, it might make some noise, or it might bang, or things like that. And I have this vehicle for sale, so that's not something I want to do right now, but I think it's pretty straightforward what you have to do to lower it down and to change your tire. So the tools are here, the jack is here, and the spare tire is under the vehicle. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.